Welcome back, learners. My name is Shubhangi Jepulkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Varda. This session is going to be about core competencies. This is subject Strategic Management, Semester 3, MBA. Friends, we have seen competitive advantage, which gives a firm the ability to compete its close competitors. This ability of competitive advantage is gained on the basis of certain uniqueness and differentiative abilities of the firm. How these are created? Let's see. The core competencies are the unique skills and abilities that a firm possesses. Often, these are very difficult to be copied by the customers, which makes them unique. What can be this capacity or skill? It can be innovation. It can be human resource management. It can be the leadership. It can also be the strength of its resources availability, its human resources availability, and the overall financial capacity of the company. It can be its expertise or the very first entry into the market. Friends, the companies keep on building and strengthening these skills. They give them the strategic advantages to the business. It distinguishes the firm from the other companies. Now, Dr. C.K. Prahalad and Gary Hamel define them as a harmonized combination of resources and skills that distinguishes the business in the marketplace. In 1990s, the manager will be judged on the basis of their ability to identify, to cultivate and exploit the core competencies that make the growth possible. Indeed, they will have to rethink the concept of the corporation itself, rightly quoted by C.K. Prahalad and J. Hamel. So, to distinguish itself in this perfectly competitive market, the company has to continuously upgrade itself and keep itself unique. It is very difficult. But how these difficulties have been overcome by these companies? Let's say one by one. Before that, let me put an individual's example. Friends, if you are in a class where you are graduating as a management trainee or an MBA, imagine that everybody in your class is having the same degree, that they are passing with this MBA. All have done their internships and prepared for the interviews. And the interviewer will ask you a question: why should we choose you over your competitors who are having equal qualifications? How will you answer this? The very reason you will be selected will be your core competency, which will give you an advantage over your other classmates. What this core competency can be: the individual may have a good communication skill, excellent personality also helps to get selected, sometimes where the job requires a pleasant personality, like in front offices. Emotional intelligence, the understanding ability, the style, even the leadership ability. Somebody may outperform on the basis of the knowledge and expertise or experience one have. The creativity is also one of the major factors where the competencies are created. Let's take an example of Google. All the people at Google are almost having this skill of creativity. Their minds are on constant work and they are creating one or the other app every second. The experience and also the logical reasoning ability can become a core competency of the person in the area in which he is working on a continuous basis. Friends, the businesses do not create these core competencies and earn the competitive advantage just in one day or 1 year. It's a long-term process. The brands are built on the basis of these core competencies. Now, we all know that there is a pandemic situation. The market is new, and if any company has new core competency, it will outperform. This is said by the matrix given by C.K. Prahalad. So, let's take an example of innovation as a core competency. I will put the example of TCS. Why TCS is India's topmost and world's leading MNC. The uniqueness that ITC provides is end-to-end IT services proposition that beats every other company. It is serving its businesses across the globe, and systems thinking and emotional intelligence also forms the very much strength of its human resources. So these are some of the core competences. I would like you to go through other companies and search for their core competencies, what makes them unique, and that gives them the competitive advantage. We'll meet in the next management lesson. Till then, goodbye.